Tired of boring surveys that nobody wants to complete? Today, we're diving headfirst into a showdown between two of the biggest names in online questionnaire, Typeform and Paperform. We're putting them to the test. Looking at design, user experience, features, and crucially, value for money, so you can pick the perfect tool to get the data you need. First up, let's talk design. Typeform is known for its sleek, on a question-at-a-time approach. This keeps respondents engaged and focused, which can boost completion rates. Their interface is super intuitive, making it easy to build visually appealing forms without any coding knowledge. Now, Paperform takes a different route, offering a more flexible, document-style editor. Think of it like a blank canvas where you can embed questions, images, videos, and text anywhere you want. This is great for creating forms that feel more like branded landing pages. Feature-wise, both platforms pack a punch, both offering logic jumps, allowing questions to show depending on the last answer, integrations with popular apps like Google Sheets and MailChimp, and detailed analytics to track your results. Paperform edges ahead with its native e-commerce capabilities. Let's talk pricing. Typeform offers a free plan with limited features, but their paid plans can be pricier, especially as your needs grow. Focus on Typeform if design is your priority and willing to invest in a more premium look. Paperform generally offers more competitive pricing, with a straightforward subscription model that gives you access to all features. Pick Paperform if you like the freeform design capability and want overall lower cost. So, which one's right for you? If you value a beautiful, conversational experience and are willing to pay a premium, Typeform is a solid choice. If you prefer flexibility, extensive customization, and a more budget-friendly option, Paperform might be your winner ultimately. The best choice depends on your specific needs and priorities. Experiment with the free trials of both, and then you can choose the option that best fits you.